Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to share you the workshop how to make life decision you won't regret. Making the right decision in life is important because you don't want to say that you have wasted your life when you are 30, 40, 50, or 60 years old, and so forth. And also, you want to prevent from saying that you have nothing meaningful to look forward in life. Because when you say those things and experience those things, those are the worst feeling to experience as a human being. And so you have one life and you want to make sure you make it count. And you also have many goals and dreams with limited of energy and time. So you want to make sure you use your time and energy wisely and to make the right decision for you in life. If not, you will feel like you waste your life when you become older. So in this workshop, you will learn how to map out your beliefs, values, standards, and boundaries, and how to create them into a powerful belief system to guide you to make the right decision in life, in your career, in your health, in your relationship, or any life areas that you want to develop. But most importantly, you will learn how to trust yourself and in your intuition because that's where the right decision comes from. And if you make the wrong decision because you are not perfect, you will learn how to spot out the negative influences. You will learn how to spot out learning opportunity to continue to learn, grow, and make better decisions moving forward. So, if you are ready to make the right decision in life and create the lifestyle that you deserve and do not regret in the future, then this workshop is for you.